it, dump it right on. I mean, this is crazy. I'm making a bit of a mess, but oh man, I'm getting a lot of water everywhere. But you know what? It's for you guys. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, coming at you with another awesome technology video, and today folks, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, the brand new LifeProof FRE case for none other than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the LifeProof FRE is LifeProof's waterproof case, and it's actually my go-to case for protecting my daily driver iPhone whenever I go outside of my home, because I just feel like it is a great protective case, especially since it is waterproof. So as longtime Warenoticers know, every year I unbox the new version of it for the new top-of-the-line iPhone that I use as my daily driver. And if you look at all these videos I've made about it, they're quite popular, so obviously you guys like this case quite a bit too. But yeah, I'm super excited it's out. I'm super excited I have it now, and I'm also super excited to get out of the box. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this case's box. As you can see on the front, it says LifeProof FRE, waterproof, and down here it says iPhone 12 Pro Max. Also down here, it specifies that it is waterproof to 2 meters for 1 hour, and right here it says it is drop proof from 2 meters. Right here it says it's made with ocean-based plastic. Over here, if we come to the back, it says we're from water and for water. So that's for sure good news if you're into the environment, because it says this case is made from 35% ocean-based plastic and 25% recycled plastic. So yeah, last but not least, over here it says there's a built-in screen cover for 360-degree protection. And yeah, so let's actually just get into it and open this guy up. So we can just pull it out nice and easy like that, and then we can pull out the actual case right here, and boom, that was a really easy unboxing experience. And it looks like back here we have some of the paperwork. We've got the installation instructions right there, as you can see. So anyway folks, let's put this box to the side right over here, and let's take a closer look at the case itself. So first of all, one of my first impressions of this case is the massive camera bump on the back. Obviously makes sense because the iPhone 12 Pro Max does have that huge camera bump. And down here we've got a nice little LifeProof logo, just so you know what type of case you have. Over here on the side, we've got a little rotating mute switch right there. Oh yeah, right there, volume up button, volume down button. Over here on the bottom, we've got protective covers for the speaker grills, as well as a little flap right here. Let's see, can I get this flap open? A little flap right here to protect the lightning port, definitely important. Over here and over here we have these little areas where you can stick something in, like maybe your finger, maybe a coin, to help pry the case open once you have it nice and latched on. Over here we got the side button, and over on the front we have that screen protector. So I'm just going to open up this case, and wow, look at that, it even comes with a nice little LifeProof microfiber cloth right there. Anyway, now that we've looked over the phone case, if we look at the proper installation instructions, first you're going to want to snap the case together and then submerge it underwater for a half hour just to make sure it is waterproof. And then after that, you are ready to put the case onto your iPhone. So anyway, folks, now let's get my iPhone 12 Pro Max right here all installed in this case. So first we can come over here and grab this microfiber cloth that came with it, and we can take it out and we can wipe down my phone just to make sure it is all nice and clean before we put it in the case. Now once I'm satisfied with how clean it is, we can just go ahead and put it in the top portion of the case right here and just snap it into place nice and easy. And then we can grab the back portion right here and we can just put that on just like this and then squeeze it all together. And then folks, boom, just like that, now we got this case all nice and installed on my iPhone. So first thing I'm noticing is, unfortunately, my iPhone isn't recognizing my face right now. I got it to unlock with my face one time, but it's not working. So I think I'm going to set up Face ID now with this case on, just so it can recognize me. And you know what, guys, is weird. Even in the settings app right here, it is not recognizing my face. So I just wonder if there's something with this screen protector on this case that's just making Face ID not work. So that's awfully strange. Whew, oh boy. So guys, I tried uninstalling the case, wiping down my iPhone's actual like Face ID camera, selfie camera, wiping down the inside of the screen protector, the outside of the screen protector, and then reinstalling it. And bad news, folks. Well, I will just show you. Look, Face ID. Can you guys see that? It will not work. So yeah, needless to say, this is pretty disappointing that Face ID is not working on this case. But I mean, the good news is, guys, I just tested it out. Wireless charging does still work with this case on, thankfully. So you can use that. If you want to use one of Apple's own MagSafe wireless chargers, the magnets don't adhere as strong as they're supposed to. They adhere very, very faintly with this case because it doesn't have actual MagSafe compatibility. So just know you won't be able to stick this onto MagSafe accessories reliably, but at least the wireless charging feature does work. And also, first impressions, this case does feel good in the hand. I do like LifeProof free cases, I've said that. So yeah, anyway, let's move on and let's test out the waterproofness of the case. So now folks, water test time. Here we've got the LifeProof FRE For iPhone 12 Pro Max with my phone inside of it right there. And here we've got a bottle of water, so let's just do its thing. So I guess we can just dump it right on. I mean, this is crazy. I'm making a bit of a mess, but oh man, I'm getting a lot of water everywhere. But you know what? It's for you guys. Okay, really? Oh man, that's a lot of water. That's a lot of water. So here a little bit more. As you can see, there's my phone. And oh man. Do you hear that? Oh man. And wow, at least the waterproofing appears to work. And speaking of that, I think it actually cured the Face ID problem, because look at this. Instantly now, Face ID unlocks my phone. What? That is very weird. Okay, that's cool. Well, now I'm super happy that Face ID works. I wonder why it just started working after I dumped water on it. Look at this. So boom, Face ID. Boom, Face ID. And wow, okay, that is crazy. One more time for you guys. Look, boom, Face ID. That is very crazy. Okay. So yeah, after that water test, now I'm actually really happy that Face ID is working like magically like it should. So that is great. Anyway, guys, with that, that'll wrap up my nice, quick, easy unboxing of the LifeProof free case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. As I've said before, I always get the LifeProof free case for my daily driver iPhone because I love its protection. And now that it's working with Face ID like it should, I am very happy with it. So yeah, if you guys want this case for yourself, it'll set you back about $90 before taxes. So definitely let me know what you guys think down in the comments of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you think it's worth the money? Let me know, because I do read all your comments, by the way. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, because after all, guys, I do love all my subscribers. So if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the LifeProof free case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Bye.